Oh, I do love fairy cakes, don't you? And my mum always used to make them for me when I was a boy. Thanks, Mum. And I still love them today. And I make them the same way that she did, like this. For our cakes we're going to need 4 ounces of butter or margarine at room temperature. That means a little bit soft. 4 ounces of self-raising flour, 4 ounces of caster sugar and 2 whole eggs. Also, we're going to need the zest from 1 lime. Our icing is just so easy. You need about 8 ounces of icing sugar. You need some food colouring and a drop of water. And I'm going to chuck in some zest of this lime. That really gives it a lovely flavour. So we take a bowl, in we go with the sugar, in we go with our softened, well, I've got margarine, but you can use butter if you want. I'm going to whisk this all together till it's really nice and fluffy. A bit like this. Crack in an egg. Did you notice that? Did it with one hand. Going to mix this egg in and then crack in the next egg. In that goes, one-handed again, plop. Now we whisk in this second egg. If it splits, don't worry too much because when you put the flour in, that'll hold it all together. So it's now to put in the zest of the lime. I'll put it all in, go all the way round, don't miss any. Give this a mix too. Now we're going to fold the flour in. Now to do this, I'm going to do half and half. Half the flour goes in, fold it in, and then the second half. There we go. Fold this in too. Don't forget to scrape down the sides. Now we can add a little bit of milk, not too much, about 3 or 4 tablespoonfuls, and that will just loosen this mixture up. Don't forget to scrape down the sides from time to time. Now I'm going to give it one last mix and get it to a sort of a dripping consistency. Then we can pop all of this mixture into our little cake cases there. I'm going to try and get them all as evenly as possible. The amount I've used should make 12. Crikey, that was quick, wasn't it? So that's off to the oven. Gas mark 4 for about 20 minutes or until cooked right the way through. While they're cooking, we can get on with the icing. We're going to need the juice of 1 whole lime, 8 ounces of icing sugar. Of course we need the food colouring, just to make it look tasty really. We're going to give this a mix together. Add a drop of water, not too much. Just enough to make a nice creamy mixture when it's combined with your lime juice, and you end up with this. Now to decorate the cake. Now we put a nice splodge of this over the top, round the edge, and we leave it to drizzle and find its own way round. Not forgetting that we're going to add some little sprinkles on the top just to make it look really nice. And then you end up with this. Don't they look gorgeous? Time for my taste test now. Delicious. They bring back so many memories for me. And they come out perfect every time. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'm enjoying this fairy cake. Bye for now.